Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to walk you through how you can retrieve specific information from the configuration files. Say, for example, I want to check the name in the configuration file. So the command I will use to do that will be git space config space user dot name, and then I press enter, and that will display the name entered or stored in the configuration file. If you wanted to check for the specific email in the configuration file of the user, you do the same thing. You type in git space config space user dot email, and then you press enter, and it will show you the email that they have stored in the configuration file of the user. You can also use a specific Unix command to get all the details of your configuration files. So the command you will use in Unix is called a cat command. So you type in cat space dot git for git and then config. Any file with a dot beside it is a hidden file, so you would not see it. For example, if you go to the directory, you won't see it. Anything with dot on it is actually hidden. You can only see it from the command line console. So if I press enter, this will give me the same details. It gives me all the settings for the user configuration files. The minimum configuration you need to start working with Git is basically a name and an email address. As time goes on, you can add to the user configuration file.